The Kia Infotainment system allows you to stream music or listen to various media sources, such as AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth audio, or USB devices. You can also listen to sounds of nature. From the infotainment system home screen, press the media that's playing, or press the media button on the control panel. The available media will be displayed. Here you can select radio stations, Bluetooth audio, sounds of nature, USB music, or Wi-Fi music streaming. You can also search media by songs and artists. Select the search icon and enter a search item. From the results, select the song or artist you want to listen to. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!